right, walking to the transmission shop to get my car. I'm like halfway there. Shout out RP. I don't know, my car keeps stalling. It might be the throttle bodies. I need to do a clean on that. Could be my O2 sensor, because I know one of them is about to go out or is already out, my tuner said. And then need to change a wheel bearing, so ordering the wheel bearing today. Gonna go clean the throttle bodies at my boys, and then hopefully order the O2 sensors today too. I'm just gonna replace both of them just so they're both brand new, and hopefully that fixes the problem, because the transmission shop said it wasn't the tranny. Tranny. But yeah, let's go. Coming over here to the boys at AutoZone. Gonna get some throttle body cleaner, and then go head over to Noe's and hopefully get this shit fixed. Alright, let's see if we can fix this. Well, I mean, I was at work, but still. Alright, get the intakes off and go in and clean it a little bit once it cools down. Alright, intakes just about almost on. Just need to put the clamps there. Jolly being a fat ass. Noe working on his neighbor's car now. Was just doing some oil on this guy and fixing it up. Alright, time to get this all back together. No! Shout out on the intakes.
It's a joke, bro.
Alright, so to conclude my video, just to kind of brush up on everything you saw, I was pretty quick on everything, a little brief, I feel. But I went and got the CRC, just throttle body cleaner and intake cleaner. Just got that from AutoZone, like you saw earlier in the video. I rolled up there, got that. I cleaned my throttle bodies, because they were actually pretty dirty, and my car's idling has been weird. But I figured out it's also my alternator, but I can already tell that just cleaning the throttle bodies helped my the way my car idles and responds to the gas. I can already tell it made a difference. So I recommend doing that if you haven't done that yet to your G's or Z's or any car, honestly. And then I need to replace my O2 sensor, because the one on the passenger side has gone out, my tuner said, when I got tuned by admin tuning on a remote tune, with my 3-inch intakes in the front, and then motor down exhaust and IRS test pipes. But yeah, so I'll be changing the alternator hopefully this week, changing a wheel bearing later this week, and then hopefully ordering some O2 sensors as well. So yeah, stay tuned to the next video. The next video is probably going to be changing the wheel bearing, because I have a very annoying noise. It was just like a slight noise at first, but now it's ridiculous. Like, it sounds like I'm an airplane about to take off, and it's garbage. So got to get that old garbage out, and then got to get that new not garbage in.